Hey guys, welcome back. Now for this lecture, I'm going to teach you guys how to set an appointment or a meeting. Okay, they're kind of the same thing. The only difference is in a meeting, you got a bunch of people that you're inviting into the email. Okay, in an appointment, it's just you. All right, so let me show you. What you want to do is click on this calendar button on the bottom left. That's step one. So let's click on that. What you're going to get is this view of the day. Now, if it's different, it's most likely because of these buttons here. You want to select work week. If you select day, it just shows, the day. If you do the week, it shows Saturday, Sunday. Work week is Monday to Friday. Then you got your month and so on. Okay, so we're going to do the work week. And the way to set, we'll do an appointment first. The way to set an appointment is you can select this button on the left and click new appointment, or the method I like to do, which is a lot easier because you get to see where it's going to fit in your schedule, is to actually click on the day where you want to put an appointment. So let's say, what's the date today? 28th. So let's say I want to set an appointment for 8 a.m. Wednesday morning. The way to do that is, first of all, find 8 a.m., right, which is this line here, and we click on this area. Next, you want to double click, and that's going to set an appointment. All right, so you put your subject in, whatever it might be, doctor's appointment, location at the doctor's. All right, then you can set the start time and end time. So the start time we've already set, which is 8 a.m. Monday, but you can change the length by clicking on this bottom one here, the end time, and selecting, let's say it's going to be a 2-hour appointment. All right, then we go save and close, and that's going to create our appointment. All right, now if we're going to create a meeting, it's the same method except you'll be inviting people. All right, so let's do a meeting on Thursday 8 a.m. So we click there, we double click. All right, now what you want to do is click on this invite attendees. All right, so we click on that button, and now it's a meeting because you're going to be inviting other people. So it's almost like an email. You write down who you're going to invite. So let's say john@gmail.com. All right. Now what's going to happen is when you send off this email, John is going to get an alert on his Microsoft Outlook, and he can either choose to accept or decline the meeting. If he chooses to accept, what's going to happen is let's get rid of this, he's going to get a meeting slot in his Microsoft Outlook, and so will you. All right, and that's how you set a meeting and or an appointment. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.